Home inspectors, what covers you when you cause damage during an inspection? Maybe you overflow a tub or a sink. Maybe a client trips over your ladder. The answer is general liability. General liability is coverage for third parties, so coverage to other people's person or property, normally occurring during inspection. A few common claims that happen with general liability, probably the most common one is a tub or sink overflow. So please, when you're filling those types of things, don't walk away. One of my favorite general liability claim stories happened in Florida. A home inspector was entering an attic. The access to the attic was in a very small laundry room. Next to the access was a storage shelf, and he had to move a suitcase on the top of the storage shelf in order to gain access to the attic. Upon moving the suitcase bumped a fire extinguisher. The fire extinguisher fell to the floor, cracked the tile in 2 places, and then discharged. Now we're in South Florida in the middle of the summertime. Directly across the doorway to the laundry room was the cold air return, and the AC was running full blast that afternoon. When that fire extinguisher discharged, all that fire extinguisher dust was sucked through every single duct in the house and blown into every room in the house. I got a call on a Saturday from this insured, and I advised him to call his local restoration contractor. Somebody showed up a few hours later, and within 6 or 7 hours from the incident, the entire thing had been taken care of. The house was probably cleaner than it had been since receiving it. That's why we recommend every single home inspector carry general liability insurance, because accidents happen.